Bihar is red-faced after toppers were caught on camera not having any idea whatsoever about subjects they had topped in. This has sent shockwaves not just across Bihar but across the length and breadth of the country. Now this embarrassment was exposed by India Today. The Bihar government has now cracked the whip. We bring you a ground report. India Today's Rohit Singh with this report.
She scored a whopping 444 out of 500 marks. She is one of the toppers of Bihar School Examination Board Intermediate Exam. But let's hear her out on what the student has to say about her favorite subject, political science.
प्रोडिकल साइंस।
प्रोडिकल साइंस वो क्या होता है? प्रोडिकल साइंस या नया सब्जेक्ट हम सुन रहे, क्या चीज है?
खाना बनाने के बारे में।
प्रोडिकल साइंस क्या होता है? मतलब किस तरह का सब्जेक्ट है? इसमें क्या 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 चीज पढ़ाया जाता है?
Wait, here's another student, a topper who scored 485 out of 500 marks. We decided to ask the student a simple chemistry question. Hear the answer to believe it.
मोस्ट रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट पीरियोडिक टेबल में कौन सा है? एल्युमिनियम।
एल्युमिनियम। वो कैसे एल्युमिनियम मोस्ट रिएक्टिव में सबसे ज्यादा सेंसिटिव एलिमेंट कैसे हुआ एल्युमिनियम?
The answers will be giving you few laughs, but it also raises serious doubts about the functioning of educational board in states and just how these students emerge toppers in subjects.
अगर इस तरह का जवाब है तो बड़ा हास्यास्पद है और इसकी जांच कराई जानी चाहिए। इसके पहले भी कई बार टॉपर लोगों की जांच कराई गई और उसे पाया गया कि गलत लोगों को टॉपर के तहत उनका नाम आ गया था। अगर इस तरह की कोई बात सामने आती है तो जो प्रतिभा सूची है उस प्रतिभा सूची के लोगों की जांच कराई जानी चाहिए।
Embarrassed by the alleged academic incompetence of its state-level toppers and India Today's expose, the administration has now swung into action. Toppers have now been asked to appear before the board on the 3rd of June, and the results of Ruby and Saurabh have now been put on hold.
बहुत मेहनत करने के बाद हम कदाचार मुक्त परीक्षा करा पाए बिहार में, और हम लोगों ने इन्विजिलेशन भी पूरी तरह से सीसीटीवी कैमरा में किया था, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी कहीं ना कहीं चूक रह गई कि इस तरह की घटना हो गई, जिसके चलते पूरे सरकार की क्रेडिबिलिटी पर कहीं ना कहीं एक धब्बा लगा है।
आर्ट्स और साइंस के 5 टॉपर्स जो हैं ऊपर से, सभी को 3 तारीख को 3 बजे बुलाया गया है।
All eyes are now on what decision the board takes to ward off the embarrassment that this expose has caused the state. Bureau Report, India Today.
India Today's Rohit Singh now joins me live from Patna for more on the story. Patna, Rohit, what action is being contemplated by the powers that be in Patna on this story?
Well, Gaurav, as you told that on 3rd of June, there is going to be a re-examination that is going to take place. That is tomorrow 3 p.m. when the Bihar School Examination Board chairman has called for all the first toppers, that is first 5 toppers from the science stream and the first 5 toppers from the arts stream. Everyone has been summoned tomorrow, and they will be sitting for a small examination that is going to take place. And there will be the examination controller will also be there. And also a small interview will also take place soon after the examination is conducted to gauge the fact whether they deserve to be toppers or not. And it's only after the results that come out of that examination will we come to know that exactly did Saurabh Shrestha or for that matter Ruby Raj deserve to be toppers or not. But this entire incident has really left the Bihar government red-faced because it has caused a lot of embarrassment to the Bihar government, because, you know, always Bihar has been notorious for massive cheating that has taken place, and now this is another incident that has taken place which has left the Bihar government really very embarrassed.
Oh, absolutely. So a re-examination and an interview on the cards. Keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more. But it's not just the students. Remember, a short while back, we told you about teachers in Bihar, how some of them were absolutely clueless when caught on camera. And this prompts us to the question if education system in Bihar is now in terminal decay.
Bihar's clueless toppers, a viral sensation nationwide after India Today's report.
प्रोटिकल साइंस मतलब क्या चीज़ है?
खाना बनाने के बारे में
Their astonishing failure to answer even basic questions about their subjects have made millions of people laugh. But this is no joking matter. Their cluelessness is only a reminder of the monumental mess of the Bihar education system. So as you watch in awe at these so-called toppers, these images from last year of the most rampant maths cheating imaginable in Bihar schools and colleges explains a large part of the mess. And remember these clueless teachers who didn't even know who India's president is.
मोहन जी मोस्ट रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट पीरियोडिक टेबल में कौन सा है? एल्युमिनियम।
In a state where 25% of teachers fail competency tests, these high school toppers in Bihar should come as a zero surprise. The Nitish Kumar government has failed so far to get a grip on a rotting education system. The state's clueless new toppers have only reminded the world of that. Bureau Report, India Today.